Hello, Sanbonani. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, beat 4 eggs with sugar, vanilla essence or extract until pale yellow. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Add melted butter and mix at low speed. Sift in flour with baking powder, and a pinch of salt is optional. Gently mix and stop as soon as the batter comes together. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl and mix in the dry patches. Pour the batter into a lined baking pan. Tap the pan a few times. Or use a wooden skewer to pop the air bubbles. Bake for 20 minutes and cool it entirely. Now we're making chocolate sauce. In a bowl, pour warmed milk with butter. I did not have milk, I used cream. Sift in icing sugar and cocoa powder, mixing in between. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. Please kindly subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new videos. Again, check for dry patches using a spatula. Cut the sides of the cake once baked and the top to level and expose the inner part of the cake. A big shout out to my returning subscribers. You're such a blessing to me. Cut the cake into blocks or 9 pieces. Stir the chocolate sauce and dip each block of cake. Let the sauce drip, then coat the cake with coconut. Please note that the cake is tender and therefore easy to break when it is hard handled. Use one hand to dip into the sauce and another for coating with coconut. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I hope you will enjoy the LAMINGTONS. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.